Hello, my name is Fernando Garcia. I am an anesthesiologist board certified on the American College of Veterinary Anesthesia and Analgesia, and also assistant professor at University of Florida. I'm here today with Sonosite and using the Cette to demonstrate to you a brachial plexus block with the subscaline approach that was described by Dr. Pablo Otero. First of all, what I want to show you is a little bit of the anatomy. The dog is actually pried with roll or roll towels, so the scapula of the limb to be blocked will be moved caudally, and that will expose your first rib. Remember, the whole brachial plexus is going to be coming out to innervate the limb just under the ventral to the ischialine muscle. That way you can actually get the whole plexus right here. So all the roots, the nerve roots of the brachial plexus will be coming out on that region. It makes it kind of easier for you to block. This block is useful for you to do any procedure on the thoracic limb, including amputations. Even its scapula will be blocked this way. A little bit of the skin over the scapula, though, on the cranial portion is actually innervated by C5 roots, so you might need to block that paravertebral block on C5 as well, depending on how cranial and dorsal you're going to come with the procedure. A couple structures that you want to know here. So I'm going to palpate. This is the tip of your shoulder, the scapulohumeral joint, and you're going to see just under here you can palpate the first rib of the dog, transverse process of C6, jugular vein right here. You can palpate the trachea, okay, and our block region is going to be right here. All right. The equipment that we're going to use today. I do a 0.3 mils per kilo of local anesthetic solution, in this case bupivacaine at 0.75%, using an insulated needle connected to a stimulator and sterile gloves. We're using a 3.5 centimeter probe, linear probe, and we're going to do an in-plane block. So I'm going to be scrubbing this dog, making sure everything is prepared, then putting my gloves on to do the procedure. The dog is not obviously prepared for surgery. This is just a demonstration. Therefore, the animal is not clipped completely, but it's clipped enough for the block itself.